So today our words are going to be longer, multi-syllable words, and that long A sound is going to be toward the end. And it's going to be A, consonant, final silent E. Why is that E there? To make the A say A. Basically, that's the only reason why that E is going to be there, unless the letter before it is a V. So let me share my screen and we'll practice. Sure, it's no longer active. What? Sharing my screen is no longer active. Hang on. I will get it. I will get it. Sometimes if you sing to it, it'll work just like that. Yoo-hoo. Okay, so our first word that we're going to mark together. This A says A because there are two consonants after it. This A says A because there is another vowel 1 or 2 spots down. E's at the end are usually silent. Not always, but usually. Sometimes you'll see an E that says its name in short words like he, me, she. Oops. Trying to spell without looking. She, be. So you do hear the E at the end of some words. Usually the words are going to be small like this. Once in a blue moon, you'll see an E at the end that actually makes a sound at the end of a multi-syllable word, but that is very rare. Usually when you see an E at the end, it's going to be silent, especially if it's a multi-syllable word. All of ours today, that E is going to be silent. So our sounds are D, A, P, A, N, Dappane, dappane. Go ahead and try yours, and I'll be quiet while you work. So this first A says A because there are two consonants after it. This A says A because there's a vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots. This is a good example of one word with 2 A's in it that say 2 different things, and you know why. It's because of the consonants and the letters that are around it. So the sounds are T, A, P, A, T. Tappate. Tappate. Now if you'll notice, we just took a random nonsense word and we didn't guess. We didn't have to, because you know now how to read these sounds. You know exactly what the vowels are going to say because you're coming to this class. You've spent time and energy and an investment to come and learn these rules and these skills, and now you know them, and you can apply those skills to words in the real world. This is why I'm teaching you with nonsense words. A lot of reasons why I'm teaching you with nonsense words, but mostly so that I can control the spelling of the word, and so it follows all the typical phonetic patterns, but so that you can know that you can read any word, whether you've seen it before or not, as long as you know the reading patterns, which is what we're learning. So this is tappate, tappate. Number 2, here I see that AI grapheme that I saw that we learned in the last class. AI is a unit that says A. It follows the tap 2 rule. A says A because there's a vowel there or there. This A also says A because there's a vowel there or there. E is silent. So our sounds are T, R, A, N, D, A, T. When you say it, focus on that TR for me. Make sure it comes out as a TR and not as a CHR, not as a chur, chur. Enunciate that T pretty clearly if you can. So we have train date, train date, train date. It's a compound word. When you can divide a word into 2 words that can exist on their own, that's a compound word. All right, yours. Go ahead and read yours over here on your own. grab the R. All right, so this AI is going to say A. This A is also going to say A because there's a silent E there. This is that A consonant, final silent E. A consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. And this is the common spelling for the long A sound toward the end of longer words. So our sounds are P, R, A, N, D, A, P. Framate. Now make sure when you said it that an R did not come in after that D, which would be a temptation for your tongue to throw that R sound in there. The R goes here, not here. Framate. Framate. That can be tempting. Those R's, they think they're the boss of our words, but we're learning to control them and put them where they belong and not let them in where they don't belong. Number 3. Number 3. So here this A is going to say ah because of the 2 consonants after it. This is going to say A because there's not 2 consonants after it. There's a vowel right there, which is silent. There's an L right here. Make sure you grab it. P, L, A, S, A, N. Plassane. Plassane. Go ahead and try yours. Grab the R. Okay, so this first A is going to say A because of the tap 2 rule. This A is going to say A because of the tap 2 rule. E at the end is usually silent. F, R, A, M, A, T. Framate. Framate. Now, out of these 3, how many did you get right on your own without me telling you the answer? How many out of those first 3 did you get without me? Okay, good, good. Those of you who got 1, it looks like you're brand new to class. Welcome. Those of you who got 3, I'm just telling those of you who got 1, those who got 3 have been here for a while. Those who got 3 have probably been here for a while. So you just hang in there. We are all cheering you on, okay? Perfection is not required for progress. Let's try number 4. And when I say a while, very few people only stay for 1 year. Most people just stay in for 2 or 3 years. In this class because there's so much repetition that will allow you to have all of the rules repeated. I should have said it that way, because repetition is what helps that sink into your long-term memory. So even if by the end of this year you're feeling like you've got it, consider staying in just for another year so that you can get it even further and help and teach other people. All right, number 4. This A will say A. This A will say A. I'm going to let you read this one on your own. Go for it. Did you get Shaytabape? So we have sh, a, m, a, b. Shaytabape. Shaytabape. Now this SH is a sustained sound. You can hold on to it indefinitely. Shh. This CH is a very quick sound. It's released. Ch. Ch. Keep that in mind as you read this word over here. I'm not going to mark it with you. I'm going to let you do it. iPhone, it's lovely to have you. If you want to change your name so I can call you by your name, that would be great. You can do it with those little 3 dots on the type. Oh, James, that's so kind. Thank you. All right, our vowels. We have an A because of the tap 2 rule, an A because of the tap 2 rule, and a silent E. Our excuse me, our sounds are ch, a, n, a, d. Chanade. Chanade. How did you do on Shaytabape and Chanade? How many of those 2 did you get without me? That's right, you did. You got 4 out of the 2, Catherine? That is, wow. That is really, really good. All right, so let's look at our extra practice down here and put which number you would like me to do with you before I send you on your own. Good job, James. You got 8 out of the 2. That's amazing. All right, which number? Oh, you want number 8. You didn't get 8 right. I understand. I got it. Okay, number 8 first. I'm going to let you mark it and try it on your own, and then I'm going to come back after you. So we're doing number 8. Take your time. Get this R right here. Don't let it out of there. All right. So this A is going to say A because there are 2 consonants after it. Here we have an AI that says A. Here we have an A that says A because there is a consonant and then a final silent E. There's a vowel in the next 1 or 2 spots. So this A has a vowel in the next 1 spot. This A has a vowel in the next 2 spots. As long as it's in the next 1 or 2 spots, it'll force that first vowel to say its name. So our sounds are k, ul, a, s, a, t, a, t. I'm going to do successive blending, grabbing just one sound at a time because this word is long and it's a easier way to blend. Cool, cla, class, classe, classaim, classaimt, classaimtre, classaimtrate, classaimtrate, classaimtrate. Get that R in there and make sure it's not a CHR sound. Classaimtrate. Let's do it. Classaimtrate. Classaimtrate. How did you do on that one? Y, yes, or A, almost? Sharhanda, I got you. I will do that one next. Okay? All right. Okay, let's try number, let's see. A lot of you put in requests, but I'm going to do number 4 for one of our new students here. And then hopefully we'll get to some more also. Okay, so we're going to try number 4. Go ahead and try it. I got all the way to the class and struggled at the A. Oh, that's okay. You got the first 5 letters, the first 4 sounds. That's a plus. That's a win. That is a win. Yeah, just pushing pause here for a second. If you have a 10 sound word that you've never seen before, and you knew how to spell how to read the first 2 sounds, that's a win. Because you're learning to read by sound, not by guessing, and not by context clues, and not by memorization. So knowing that you are reading sounds, no matter how far you got, that's a win. All right, number 4. That was a long one. This one's a long one too. Remember, be very gentle with yourself. Be your own best cheerleader. Okay? You say, I can do this. You say, that's okay, self. That's okay, self. We're going to try again. Give yourself so much grace and so much respect and encourage. Just be nice while you're learning, okay? Be nice to your sweet brain who's trying. Okay, sounds. We have that SH, which is a sustained sound. Shh. We have this AI that says A. This A is going to say A because of the two consonants after it. This A is going to say A because there's a vowel 1 or 2 doors down. E at the end is silent. Sh, A, T, A, B, A, P. One sound at a time. Shay. If that's how far you got, then you've read SHAI correctly, which you've never done before because that's not a real word, so well done. Shate, Shayta, Shaytab, Shaytabape, Shaytabape, Shaytabape. How'd you do on that one? Y or A? Yes or almost? Shaytabape. Shaytabape. Good. All right, let's do one more. Do number 10. Focus on the R and that TR consonant blend, enunciating them and articulating them the way that those sounds were intended. Really wrap your tongue around that R. So AI says A. That A follows the tap 2 rule. This A says A. It also follows the tap 2 rule. There we have our A, consonant, final silent E, which is silent. Our sounds are A, M, T, R, A, N. Aim, train. Aim, train. How did you do on aim, train? That's okay, Dorsey. You hang in there, my friend. You keep coming. Aim, train. Good. Good. Nice. Okay, so today you learned that AI is how you, well, last time we learned that AI is how you spell, or no, how the A sound is spelled in small words. A, consonant, final silent E, you're going to find that in multi-syllable words, and that E is just there to make the A say its name. A-T-E, at the end of a multi-syllable word, can say something else, but we're going to have that its own lesson down the road in a few months. But most of the time, like this word, sometimes that ATE or even AGE, it's going to make a different sound at the end of words. But I'm going to have that as its own lesson down the road. But for the most part, A, consonant, final silent E, is that A is going to say its name. All right, my friends, well done. I hope you feel good about yourself. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm not going to see you on Monday because it's a holiday, but I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye, everybody.